Welcome to Fairways Royale, apartment 211M. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a foyer entrance. Tiled and carpeted. Your living room, dining area, and your kitchen. Your kitchen is eat-in, with the separate service entrance for your groceries, a pantry closet, a pass-through into the dining area, and your large terrace with storm shutters. Nice garden view. Park atmosphere, shuffleboard barbecues. Your clubhouse and the swimming pool is on the other side of the clubhouse, where we have a men's and ladies sauna, as well as a little fitness area with 3 pieces of equipment. Your guest bathroom is a combination shower tub. Your guest bedroom, air conditioning unit, hot water heater. As you enter the master bedroom, you have 2 closets. Nice big walk-in closet. And in your master bedroom, you have another entrance to your very large terrace. Your remodeled master bath, shower only, and it's available for sale right now. So please contact Eileen Burns, Tri-State Commercial Real Estate, 954-483-3912.